Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. Which MIST subscription is required for location tracking of Bluetooth badges? Option A. Asset visibility. Option B. Wi-Fi assurance. Option C. Virtual network assistant. Option D. User engagement. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Asset visibility. Question 2. Which organization is responsible for certifying that products and technology satisfy Wi-Fi interoperability? Option A. Wi-Fi Alliance. Option B. IETF. Option C. IEEE. Option D. ISO. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Wi-Fi Alliance. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.